Hi, I'm Denise.
Hi, I'm Kayla.
And we're the founders of BetternessBox. At BetternessBox, we believe that self-care can be simplified. We met in college as sorority sisters, became friends, business partners, turned family. Our business was built on top of a solid foundation rooted in friendship. Some say doing business with friends is a bad idea. Maybe. But maybe not.
We're just two fun-loving Cali natives who discovered we had overlapping interests in wellness. Seriously, we are obsessed with all things wellness. It was out of a burning desire to create an authentic space for Black women to explore self-care that BetternessBox was born.
Let's be real. As Black women, we understand what it means to be overcommitted. You stay up late, you get up early, you're working harder, doing more, and making more commitments than you need to. We are the subtle reminder on your shoulder saying, sis, it's time for self-care.
Right. It's time to take care of you. To start, we are not a subscription service. We are a self-care wellness company. Here's the thing, there are nearly 8 billion people in the world. This means there are nearly 8 billion different ways to do self-care. We developed a subscription product centered around self-care because the subscription model gently encourages you to build your self-care habits over time.
Exactly. BetternessBox simplifies your self-care practice. It invites you to get consistent about, consistently evolve, and ultimately automate your self-care practice. BetternessBox shows up on your doorstep every 3 months, and each box includes everything that you need to get inspired and take action on a new self-care theme.
With BetternessBox, you'll be inspired to try on fearlessness,
Try on abundance,
try on intuition,
try on playfulness,
and carve out a little time in your schedule to discover what feels right for you. Go ahead and elevate your self-care practice. We dare you.
So, how do you guys help businesses and organizations?
That's where SimplyBetterCo comes in.
SimplyBetterCo is a solution for companies and organizations providing customized branded kitted and box experiences.
Basically, if you're looking for a box or gift to give to conference attendees, employees, or any other group, we'll work with you to build a box that aligns with your brand and delivers the experience that is both fun and engaging.
At SimplyBetterCo, our mission is to deliver an experience that your employees and conference attendees want to keep, use, and share with others.
Yep, and you can find more information about simple self-care solutions
And corporate solutions at BetternessBox.com.